In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Drive video into WordPress. By the end, you'll have your video playing right inside a WordPress post or page using a simple link from Google Drive. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and locating the video you want to use. Click it to select, then double-click to open the preview. This puts you on the video's dedicated screen where the sharing options are easy to access. In the top right, choose Share. Under General Access, change it to anyone with the link. This ensures your site visitors can play the video without signing in. Keep the permission at Viewer so people can watch but not edit. You don't need to copy the link just yet. We'll do that in a moment. Next, switch over to your WordPress.com dashboard and create a new post or open an existing one in the editor. In the block editor, click the plus icon to open the block inserter. Search for and add the video block. The video block gives you options to upload a file or use a URL. Since your file is on Google Drive, choose the option to insert from URL so WordPress can load it from the link. Now go back to your Google Drive tab, open the Share panel again, and click Copy Link. With the sharing set to anyone with the link, this URL is ready to use. Return to WordPress, paste the link into the video block's URL field and click Apply. Give it a moment to load. You should see the embedded player appear right in the editor, confirming the link is working. If the player doesn't render immediately, don't worry. First, double check that the Google Drive access is set to anyone with the link and that you copied the file's link, not a folder link. Some setups only show the player after you preview or publish, so try previewing your post to confirm playback. If you still don't see the player, try using the video block's insert from URL field with the Drive preview style link that ends in HAR preview, which often helps WordPress recognize the embed. Once the video appears, you can adjust alignment and width in the block settings to fit your layout. That's all it takes. Make the video shared to anyone with the link in Drive, add a video block in WordPress, copy the Drive link, paste it into the block, and apply. Thanks for watching. If this helped, go ahead and embed your next video the same way and keep your posts clean, fast, and easy to manage.